So it looks like there's a rocket going off. A space shuttle. You can see probably an airplane really over top the roof. Now it looks like it's going straight up in the air. The airplane. Or could it really be a rocket going into outer space? Now what we're going to find is that's going to go right overhead. So it's just perspective. Because it's far, far away coming this way, it looks like it's rising up. And if it was going away from us, it would be going down, just like, you know, how the sun looks like it's rising up as it's coming towards us. It looks like it's going down as it's going away, just like if you were to view a long hallway or a long straight railway. It looks like as it's going away from you, it goes smaller and it goes down. And as it goes up and over, you'll see it'll actually start looking like it's going more straight. But right now it's going up, and well, yeah, it's kind of going over now. And it's just like when the NASA, they see or they show their rockets, they look like they're going straight up, and they do go straight up for a little while, maybe a mile, and then they'll start to curve, and I suppose they'll say it's because of the curve of the Earth or something, who knows. It's made up stuff. Yeah, so this one here is now right over top. Now having to look through the tree. And so, and if we keep going, perhaps I'll keep running the video, it'll actually show it going down again. Just a break from the early morning work. Saw an airplane, looked like it was a rocket the way it was coming up from the east. Good opportunity to show how it just looks like it comes up as it's approaching, as it's over top. Of course, it's going straight. And now you can see it now. It's, well, it kind of looks like it's going down a little bit already. As it's leaving. Not too much of a chemtrail on that one. Perhaps just normal exhaust condensation or smoke or whatever. Small plane going overhead as well. Uh-oh. Looks like the rocket is crashing. It's going down. Didn't have enough booster juice to get through the firmament or the dome. So anyway, you can see that the plane is going. Looks like it's actually going down now, or just over top the tree line there. Okay, you have a great day. Bye for now.